Thinking about switching to Moka Bank? Wondering if your hard-earned money is safe in their digital vaults? You're not alone. Let's dive deep into the world of Moka Bank and address this burning question: is your money safe with Moka Bank? Before we delve into the specifics, let's understand the digital banking landscape. In today's tech-driven world, digital banks like Moka are gaining popularity due to their convenience and innovative features. But with this convenience comes a natural concern: security. Moka Bank's security measures. Robust encryption. Moka Bank employs advanced encryption techniques to safeguard your sensitive information, including your personal details and financial transactions. This ensures that even if unauthorized individuals were to gain access to your data, they wouldn't be able to decipher it. Secure servers. Moka Bank stores your data on highly secure servers protected by state-of-the-art firewalls. These firewalls act as a digital shield, preventing cyber attacks and unauthorized access. Regular security audits. Moka Bank undergoes regular security audits conducted by independent experts. These audits help identify potential vulnerabilities and ensure that the bank's security measures are up to par. Fraud prevention systems. Moka Bank has sophisticated fraud detection systems in place to monitor your account activity for suspicious behavior. If any unusual activity is detected, the bank will alert you and take immediate action to protect your funds. Regulatory compliance. Moka Bank adheres to strict regulatory standards set by the relevant authorities. This ensures that the bank operates within legal frameworks and maintains high security standards. Real-world examples of Moka Bank's security. No data breaches. Moka Bank has a proven track record of safeguarding customer data, with no major data breaches reported. Positive customer reviews. Many Moka Bank users have praised the bank's commitment to security and privacy. Industry recognition. Moka Bank has received accolades for its innovative approach to digital banking and its strong security measures. Additional tips to protect your account. Strong password. Create a strong, unique password for your Moka Bank account. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or pet names. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, such as a one code sent to your phone. Be cautious of phishing attempts. Be wary of emails or messages that ask for your personal information or login credentials. Never click on suspicious links or download attachments from unknown sources. Monitor your account regularly. Keep a close eye on your account activity and report any unusual transactions immediately. Use Moka Bank's official app and website. Avoid using third-party apps or websites to access your account. While no digital system is entirely foolproof, Moka Bank has demonstrated a strong commitment to security. By implementing robust measures and staying ahead of cyber threats, Moka Bank strives to provide a secure and reliable banking experience. Your vigilance is key. By following best practices and staying informed, you can further enhance the security of your Moka Bank account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.